Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for another spotting video. In this video, I finally check out JetBlue's A220-300 service to Milwaukee. It is a new airline, aircraft, and route to JFK. And also, this is the last time I caught Smartwings 737-800, as it recently, in the last week, went back to Czechia, or the Czech Republic, in Europe. And trip reports will be making a comeback next week, and make sure to go follow my Instagram for more spotting photos and some poll questions about the trip reports. But let's get into the video. So that was the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more aviation content, and make sure to go follow my Instagram account. The link is in the description, and we'll see you next time.